Hello and welcome to the auction of this stunning 1963 Corvette Convertible Fuelie. We're the local partner for Bring a Trailer and we are presenting this on behalf of the owner. This car was the subject of a complete rotisserie restoration by the previous owner. Literally every nut and bolt on this car has been touched during that restoration. It has that L84 327 V8 with a Rochester Ramjet MFI pumping out 360 horsepower. The entire drivetrain, body, and interior was painstakingly refurbished and it retains all its numbers matching components. Let's do a cold start and take it for a quick drive. As we mentioned, this car came to us through the Bring a Trailer Local Partner Program. The current owner purchased it from LaFontaine Classic Cars in Michigan and brought it out here to sunny California. You can easily see this was an open checkbook restoration. It is absolutely impeccable. This car was reshod in its original Sebring Silver paint and redone in its original red vinyl interior. This is close as it gets to perfect for an old car. The current owner has put almost 500 miles on the car, and after some post-restoration fettling, it is now ready to be enjoyed. It's live on Bring a Trailer, and for more information, visit us at Genau Autowerks.com.